Okay, and now test scenario. Step 1, create PR for agreement. Create PR for agreement. ME51N. Document type RV. Item data underline. Account assessment category 1 column. Item category 1 column. Material number. Quantity. Plant. So account assessment category, if you enter, you are purchasing item for consumption account. Then with account assessment category for consumption, material number is optional. But material number is mandatory or optional. It also controlled by item category customization. So you can purchase, you can make agreement not only for stock purpose. With account assessment category, for any particular consumption account also, you can make agreement. You want to enter account assessment categories also. Okay. Item category, standard, material number, 150,000, plant, next save. Note, we can create RFQ, and quotation also with reference to PR. So you do RFQ and quotation in ME41 RFQ, in ME47 quotation. Vendor quotation prices. Multiple quotations are there, you compare the quotations and ME49. Next step, create scheduling agreement. Step 2, create scheduling agreement. Logistics, purchasing, open agreement, scheduling agreement, create, vendor known. ME31L. ME31L. You can create scheduling agreement to external vendor, ME31L. You can create scheduling agreement for stock transfer from to internal plant, ME37. In bracket ME37 hyphen stock transport scheduling agreement. Close the bracket. Keycode ME31L. Note, scheduling agreement can create with reference to PR or with reference to RFQ or with reference to contract or without any reference or without any reference document. So this time we are creating scheduling agreement with reference to PR. In PR, vendor is not determined through source determination, then you have to enter vendor here. But after PR, you create an RFQ and that RFQ sent to which vendor, and for that RFQ already vendor quotation price is maintained. Then at that time, no need to enter vendor purchase organization. Already RFQ created by one purchase organization to some vendor, then from RFQ only it will copy vendor and purchase organization. You have already contract, then if you create scheduling agreement with reference to contract, it will copy from contract everything, material, quantity, vendor, purchase organization, etc. This time we are creating with reference to PR. Then enter vendor manually. Right on vendor number. Agreement type or document type. LP. Next, purchase organization. This group. Next slide. Click reference to PR button. Next time, enter PR number. Next time, click enter. So we are creating with reference to PR. Next time, header data underline. Header data applicable to all line items. Right on. Validity start date. Next, validity end date. Total agreement validity period. Okay. Next, payment terms. Your target value is there. If you want total agreement value, target value you can give for all items. Agreement value also you can target. Target value in bracket optional. It is value agreement. You enter target value for all items. Then total you can make agreement for how much quantity with what price for all items. It should not exceed this agreement value. Click enter. Next time. Select PR item row. And click adopt or adopt plus detail button. So adopt plus detail means it will go to this item detail screen, still to edit quantity or any reminders, etc. If you click adopt button, it will directly copy this PR item row to scheduling agreement item row. But in scheduling agreement, net price is mandatory as per document type field selection. But in PR, no price, but it is RFQ, then in RFQ item row, it will show here net price also if it is RFQ number. But in PR, no net price. That's why, though you click adopt, but it will take to detail screen to enter the net price. Next time, enter item net price. Click enter. So company code assigns to controlling area, but it is expecting control indicators to maintain from even it is expecting. So do one thing, you have maintained control indicators already, but scheduling agreement creation time, this date we mistakenly made it 2011, but from that year it is not there. What is the key code for controlling indicators? OKKPT code directly, SPRO controlling, general controlling, maintain controlling area, that setting. So your company code controlling area, assign your company code in enterprise structure, you can see here also, but activate control indicator. It's maintained from 2022, but our system date defaultly 2011 is there. Then you maintain from 2011 also. But up to 2021 it will take, because already 22 onwards you maintain. Now you maintain any components you want to active. Setting is expected. Now that is maintained. None setting implements. Tools. Okay. Next line. Then it will copy PR item row to scheduling agreement item row, PR item row details to scheduling item row details, scheduling item row. Next time, select scheduling agreement item row. So I want to enter in detail prices, okay? And click item condition button. And click item condition button. Enter required condition types and amounts. Next line back, but net price again is grayed out. Some pricing procedure error is there. So this pricing procedure Z106 condition type. Pricing procedure not yet discussed. It is schema group in vendor master. You assign any schema group, but we have not assigned any schema group to vendor. You create schema group for assigning to purchase organization, but here you assign to purchase organization 6661 schema group, but schema group not assigned to any purchase organization. Now schema determination. Now determine calculation schema for standard per POs. So if schema group is for purchase organization schema group is blank, for vendor master schema group is blank, then what is the pricing procedure? But in vendor master in page 02, just in schema group IN, made it blank. Then without any your PO, your scheduling agreement purchase organization 6661, for that no schema group assigned. Then schema group purchase organization blank, schema group vendor blank, then this pricing procedure. Now you do one thing. Maybe that is the problem, but we'll discuss that separately. Pricing procedure, next topic. I can give here get price directly. Otherwise, item condition cross price, right? No. It's picking this condition type, this price pressure, but wherever time dependent value from value will come, then again to main pricing procedure PV00 is there. In the main pricing procedure PV00, but for PV00, access sequence is pricing procedure. So, RM00, we pick first schema group, submission schema group under combination RM0000, that is to PO, but for scheduling agreement, in condition type PV00, supplementary pricing procedure RM0002, that is, we'll see this later, just let me check here. Anyway, some pricing procedure issue is there. We'll do one thing. We don't enter condition types, we will enter directly. Assume you enter there, then it will come that price here, but directly I entered. There is a issue in pricing procedure. Leave it. Next line, back. Select item row. And click item detail button. Here reminders. Next line, here reminders. Tolerance limits. Tax codes. GR based IV indicator. Etc. Copies from RFQ. If no RFQ, then copies from info record. If no info record, then copies from material master and vendor master. And still editable here. So currently, I think Middle Master also reminders not maintained and info record not exist. That's why no reminders copied from Middle Master to info record. But if info record is there, info record will copy to RFQ. You can still read in RFQ. From RFQ to copy to settling agreement. But while creating settling agreement, without RFQ you are creating, then if settling agreement doesn't have RFQ reference document, directly creating settling agreement without RFQ, then these will copy from info record. But info record also not there, then some fields copies from middle master, that is reminders, tolerances, and shipping instructions, and some fields that is GR based IV ERS indicator, confirmation control copies from enter master. But from wherever it copied, still you can edit. Suppose I am entering, it's not copied, manually I can enter, but in case as of now no info record exists, then I want to create a new info record, then you select here info update as A. Then system create a new info record. But already info record is there, then existing scheduling agreement reminders, tolerances, prices will not update in the existing info record. If info record is not there, then system create a new info record with all these reminders, prices, tolerances, etc. I got info update A. Extend back. Now we will see one time this material number R2 and vendor number 2001 combination is info record already exists or not. So no info record is there. Then a new info record creates. Next slide. Select item row. And from menu bar, choose item arrow symbol. Maintain source list. So it will take to this layer item material source list record because you are creating agreement for one material for one vendor, means that vendor is best vendor for that material. That's why you are giving agreement to that vendor. Then this material better will make as a source for this material. Maintain this vendor as a source in the source list. No need to separately go to ME01. From here only you can move to ME01. Right on. Then it will take to source list record. Then and maintain this agreement vendor as source for this material, or select this agreement vendor as fixed vendor also. So you select from and to same scheduling agreement dates in the agreement period. Extend. Here, if MRP is selected as 2, then through MRP run, delivery schedule will create automatically. Delivery schedule will create automatically with reference to scheduling agreement. In place of PR. See, if you maintain this agreement number and agreement vendor in source list record, later if you run MRP, normally if stock is deficit, PR will create through MRP. But if already scheduling agreement is maintained, and in the scheduling agreement, already scheduling agreement is maintained in source list as a fixed vendor, and in scheduling and in source list you selected MRP as 2, that is record relevant to MRP schedule line generate automatically. Then if you run MRP later, if stock is deficit, it won't create PR. Instead of PR, it will create delivery schedule. For the deficit quantity, it will create delivery schedule, a single delivery schedule for the deficit quantity. Okay. Next, back to scheduling agreement. We'll see whether it will create or not. Back to scheduling agreement. Next line. Click message button. Next line. Output type 1 column, medium 1 column. NEU. Medium. Print out or anything. Print out means you have to select in communication method printer ID. Next, back and save. Now, as per document type LP number is, scheduling agreement number is paid. Next step. Print or transmit scheduling agreement to vendor. Scheduling agreement document to vendor. Keycode ME9L. So here you take printout and send from outside SAP, or you choose a not print, fax or mail, then directly it is sent to vendor fax machine or vendor mail ID. Write down document number. If document number directly you are entering, don't enter different purchase organization. but this purchase organization created many settling agreement you want to send, then don't enter any agreement number. Enter directly purchase organization, purchase group. This purchase organization, purchase group combination created settling agreements you are dispatching, but many are there from last many years. But you can enter date. Then in that particular date created agreements only. Okay. Application, EV, message type, NEU, processing status 0. So what is the status currently is having settling agreement? You can go and see the ME32L or ME33L. ME33L. If you go to message, status is not processed. Why? Because in the further data, you selected not send immediately. You select send immediately, it is already processed. But manually you want to send in ME9L 3, but through background in ME9L through periodic settling, through background settling job, every 1 hour it has to send settling agreement to vendor, and you maintain background settling job for ME9L T code to run an ME9L T code every 1 hour. Then any settling agreement is there with option 1 or 2. All the settling agreements in background every 1 hour system only run back job, ME9L T code job, and system only will send. But as of now, it is not yet processed. Okay. Now that status you select. Next, click execute button. The next screen, select settling agreement checkbox. And click display message button. And observe print preview. As per output type NEU, print program and smart form. And observe heading of the document. So your heading is settling agreement. You know where to maintain headings. SPRO, MM, purchasing, messages, there define text for settling agreement, there you maintain headings. Next, back. Next time. Again select same checkbox. Again select document number checkbox. And click output message button. Now assume it is outputted to vendor. But along with settling agreement, again, you want to send delivery schedules also. Next heading, note, first note. Observe updated settling agreement. And settling agreement vendor, settling agreement number and vendor in source list. ME03. ME03 T code. So in background, for settling agreement with line item material, for settling agreement plans, it updated your settling agreement number and settling agreement vendor, it updated here as fixed vendor. If you don't select fixed vendor, normal, because for same period, for the material, not only with one vendor, multiple vendor settling agreements are there. Then you can choose only for one vendor, for one agreement fixed. And MRP selected automatic. Next line, observe updated info record. in ME 13. So with the scheduling agreement, vendor, material, plant, purchase organization combination, in scheduling agreement item category standard, then with that item category, earlier scheduling info record is not exist, but now it's created. When create scheduling agreement through info record, new info record creating, then it update all. But already info record is there, nothing will update from scheduling agreement to info record. Now it also updated tolerances. But prices we have issue, price discrimination, that's why it is not coming here. One time, is this because of date it is taking GR date price? Is that problem? Pricing date is not there in the master. But in scheduling agreement creation time, item row, detail tab, pricing date, and once in the second also. Is somewhat selective here. This is the cost not taking its condition types net price. Okay, we select. Next, heading maintain delivery schedules. But instead of maintaining delivery schedule manually, I'll do one thing for material in MM01. Let's maintain the MRP views in the meeting master. For MRP view, I'm maintaining manual reorder point planning, one method. Then I'm maintaining manual reorder point planning, VP, means I have to enter reorder point quantity how much, suppose 100 I maintain here, means at any time, current available stock should not be less than 100 in this plan, in all stores. Okay. If it is less than 100, then it has to create PR automatically, then external procurement. Okay. In material type customization, external purchase orders allowed, as well as internal purchase orders allowed. That's why it is taken defaultly both. But I am selecting external procurement allowed, not in-house production. Then PR will create. The procurement type is external procurement, PR will create through MRP. At that time, what is the availability check? And somewhere for plant we assign checking rule. Then plant checking rule and material master availability check combination, which stock types selected as available stocks, then all that available stocks quantity should not be less than 100. But I think already stock is there for this material. But we entered minimum stock 100, but you see already stock, it is there open POs, already some stock is wrong. So it is more than 100 already PO pending for GR, that also it will consider. So one thing, you maintain GR point quantity, not 100, try to maintain 500. Now I'll run MRP MD 03, whether automatically in MD 03 material running MRP for this plant. Then here create PR, though you select create PR option to R1, but delivery schedules No delivery schedules or delivery schedules. Suppose schedule lines, delivery schedules automatically has to create. No manual. If stock is deficit, in place of PR, it will create delivery schedule. Just one time, it is giving message, check correct value selected or not. If all selected correctly, click one more time. Then MRP run. Now, whether MRP through PR delivery schedule created or not, you can see the MD04. In the MD04, already one PO is there for 200, na? But for the deficit stock, it is created PR. Already 10P stock plus PO stock 200, but minimum 500, then 290 deficit, then for 290 created directly PR, not delivery schedule. Why it created PR, I'll tell. PR creating with what date? Date issue is there, na? System date, it will take today's date. But agreement is there, not today. In 2023 year it is there. But it is taking PR date, system date having issue, na? That's why. Otherwise, it will not create PR. Instead of PR, it will directly create delivery schedule. Okay, but we'll see that later. Next step. Maintain delivery schedules. T code ME38. Settling agreement number. Next line. Click enter. Now for this material, for 1000 quantity, okay, but still delivery schedules open for 1000 quantity, okay, not maintained. Select item row. And click delivery schedule button. Next line. Delivery date one column, schedule quantity one column, time one column. So delivery dates, I'm entering on 20th Tariq quantity. On that date, particular time also I want enter exact at what time. Okay, time also you can enter. Okay, and on 25th Tariq, next month or same month also. For another 100 monthly ways are in same month multiple delivery dates. Enter. How much you want. By this date, total cumulative quantity 370. Previous dates quantity plus up to this date quantity. Okay. Like that you can enter, but I'm entering finally directory past delivery schedule date. I think we given 19th past schedule date 18. Okay. For the date remaining 630. Right now. Roughly enter some dates. You can enter not for 2 years, only for first 1 year only you can enter. Up to 300 rupees or something, every day, every month 50 rupees or something. Up to 1 year or for 6 months only you can enter. Then up to that 6 months we give delivery schedule. Later again we give one more delivery schedule after 6 months again by predicting again for next 6 months, like that. Next, back. Next, click delivery schedule, but sorry, click message button. Next, an output type one column, medium one column. But this should not print like main scheduling agreement. It should print with a different heading, with a different schedule date, schedule quantity, column values as to print. That's why same output type program not suitable. LPET. Output type below LPET. And rest of things you choose what wax medium you want. And here it is. Not send immediately. Then manually you have to send it. Next time. Save. Now this document you have to take print out. Next. Through print preview. And send delivery schedule document to vendor. ME9ET code. In ME9ET code. With application EL, not EV. With application EL. And output type LPET. The EL LPET. So now you see display message. Delivery schedule is the printout heading and delivery dates quantities. So it is given with reference to the scheduling agreement. Okay, these are the delivery schedules. On each date, how much quantity. Then next step. Enter GR. With reference to PO and with scheduling agreement number. This is scheduling agreement with 101 movement type. On each schedule date. Is 18, but it is not proposed scheduling agreement. Here no scheduling agreement, purchase order only, but scheduling agreement. Because today is 18th Tariq, but 19th Tariq. But the date, but our first schedule date is given 20th Tariq. But the 20th Tariq not yet come. We have to wait until 20th Tariq, then only you can enter. Otherwise, you go to ME38. In ME38, the delivery schedule date you change to current today's date. Want to enter on exact date only you can enter GR. Before the date, not possible. But PO date is not yet reached, but still you can enter GR. But for scheduling agreement, it is not possible. Not because dates are manually change it. It is system date problem. Change the dates. Okay, you right. Next step, enter IR with reference to scheduling agreement number. For this scheduling agreement for this GR quantity. Likewise, on every delivery date, if goods delivered from vendor, then for the delivery date quantity, you enter GR and IR. The date problem is there, that's why it is. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Next class is there. If any of your payment dues are there, little small amounts, I'm requesting clear your payments.